Hello Samayas, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how do we resolve this issue. Fatal pathspec readme.txt did not match any files. How do we resolve this, guys? If you see in this section here, we don't have any readme.txt file or readme.md file. So in order to achieve that, guys, just type echo and readme.md. First, you create that file. When you do echo slash, and if you give the directory name, double greater than, and readme.md, it should create a readme file. Now you can see on the left hand side, the readme.md file is created. Okay. Now if you just run git add readme.md, that error should not come. Adding git add readme.md, and now no error came. Hope you liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.